Okay, so 8.2 takes the idea of now writing equations. Remember, we wrote expressions in chapter 7. And the difference now is we have an equal side. We have two sides. Okay, how do you write an equation to represent a situation? So now we're going to have something on this side and something on that side. We're going to have some equals words. Okay, a circus recently spent $1,650 on new trapezes. Those things. The trapeze cost $275 each. Write an equation that can be used to find the number of trapezes T that the circus bought. Okay, so we want to think, what is the cost per trapeze? It tells us in there, $275 times, well, we don't know how many. And it tells us that the total cost is $1,650. So this equation here, an equation that can be used to find the number of trapezes T, is 275 times T equals 1650. So if I know how many I've had, I multiplied it times 275, I would get $1,650. That's it. I wrote the equation. It has one side and a second side divided by an equal sign. Ben is making a recipe for salsa that calls for 3.5 cups of tomatoes. He chops 4 tomatoes, which fill 2 1/4 cups. So he needs a certain amount. He only got so far he needs to here. Write an equation that we use to find out how many more cups Ben needs. So how many cups did he fill? He filled 2 1/4. 2 1/4 cups filled. He's going to add to it the amount that he would need to fill it up. And in the end, the recipe calls for 3.5. Okay, so 2 1/4 plus the rest of the cups is going to equal 3.5 cups. Okay. Notice it didn't talk about solving them. It just talked about writing the equation. 6 fewer than a number is 46.33. So don't forget about this fewer than. Let M represent the unknown number. The phrase fewer than indicates subtraction. So 6 fewer than a number. Don't forget, when I have that, I have to trampoline it to the end. So it's going to be the number, which is n minus 6, is. Do you see this word is right there? Is like equals 46.33. I'll come down here. So remember, I'm only writing. I'm not solving. Later we solve. Notice this error alert. Same thing I've been telling you. 2/3 of the cost of a sweater is 18. You can see. Let C represent the cost of the sweater in dollars. The word of indicates, you guys should know that. What does of indicate? Of indicates multiply or multiplication. 2/3. 2/3 is written like this, 2/3. Of is times. Well, what's the cost of the sweater? We don't know it. It's C. But if I knew that the 2/3 of it is 18, 2/3 of the cost is $18. 2/3. Here's 1/3, 2/3, $18. I don't know the whole cost. Here's some more examples. A plus 15 equals 24. What operation? Sum of A and 15. What's another word for that? It either could be is or equals. 15 is blank than A. 15 more than A is 24 or equals 24. Either way. This is being divided So what kind of answer is that to? The quotient of R and 0.2, there's equals or is 40. R divided by 0.2 is 40. Okay.